Hi, I'm Maddie, the founder of Launchbot, and today I want to show you two new features that we're releasing. So Launchbot already scans your website data from Google Analytics and tells you the people who are most likely to become your paying customers, and it tells you the targeting characteristics of them using specific data points in your Google Analytics so that you can use that information to try and find the people most likely to buy. The new features are a new search engine optimizer. So that means that we tell you how to get your website to rank at the top of search engines like Google Search for key terms that are most likely to bring you paying customers. So you put in your URL, the platform like Webflow or WordPress, and your products and services. And then what Launchbot does is it goes and looks at your website. It decides your tone of voice and the products and services that you sell and how you talk about them and the things you like about them. It combines that with the data from strategy about who your paying customer is, who the people are that are most likely to buy on your website. And it generates search terms that your paying customer is likely to be typing into Google, is likely to be looking for in order to find the things that you sell on your website. So it's generating a list of key terms that you want to rank at the top of Google for to attract the attention of your paying customer. Now, search engine optimization is wonderful because it brings you customers without you having to pay for ads. You're just ranking at the top of Google organically. The other thing is that when people are Googling a problem, they're often they've already decided to spend money to solve it. So they call that a mindset to buy, and it means that traffic that comes organically through Google search is more likely to be converting paying traffic than people who are just scrolling Facebook and don't really want to see an ad. So it's come up with these search terms that it thinks we should be ranking for to attract paying customers. Marketing AI tools makes a lot of sense. Marketing Made Easy is great. That's off our website. Small business marketing, analytics insights. So it would be wonderful. Imagine if we came up with the number one for all these search terms, we'd be getting heaps and heaps of traffic that was really interested in our tool. So you can click here to see your current rankings in these terms, whether you're ranking for these terms, and Launchbot is not yet ranking for any of these terms. So that's a great project for us to try and get to the top of Google with those. What we are ranking for, what it shows you down here, is Launchbot and Launchbot. So if people have already heard about us and type us into Google, they'll find us first, which is great. We've had this many clicks in the last 30 days, but these aren't turning into customers. So we need to change our website to start ranking for these terms that are going to bring us paying customers. So the second section is the instructions for exactly how to do that. So it's based on your platform, whether that's Squarespace or Shopify or WordPress. It tells you exactly what to do, which pages to change, the text to change on each page, and the images and things like that, the headings, the titles, in order to get your site to rank for these keywords. So it's really clever, and it tells you step by step what to do. You choose the steps you want to do, and that gets saved to the tasks section over here. And then Launchbot reminds you to do those tasks, and then you tick them off when they're done. So it keeps you accountable, and it makes sure you're actually progressing week to week on your goals of getting your business to get more customers. So follow those instructions, and then at the very last section, it's got two sample blogs that you can update. These are drafts, update them to your tone of voice, the things you're interested in, the things your brand wants to say. But these are drafts to get you started, and if you post these on your website, in your blog section, and then to your social media channels, get people to share them, get people to like them, it massively increases your chances of ranking for those search terms, because these blogs contain a natural scattering of your keywords that we want to rank for. And the crawlers that decide the rankings on Google, they notice those keywords. They notice it's been shared a lot. They notice that it's informative, intelligent content, and that helps you rank. So you've got two blogs here to get you started. And if you rewrite them and then post them on your website, that'll enormously help your rankings. So 3 tools here to help you with your search engine optimization, and has a huge impact on business. If you go from ranking 50 to ranking number 2 or number 1 for a key term that people are looking for to find your products and services, enormous difference, and for no cost. After you do the initial work, you don't have to pay for ads or anything. That's just organic traffic coming from Google.